Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Emanuela coming back to you guys with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some hair that I purchased on Black Friday. So the hair that I purchased was from Baby Heir's collection and it is founded by Chrissy Cousin, a YouTuber. And if you guys don't know who she is, check her out on YouTube. I was introduced to one of her videos and from then on, I watch her videos constantly and I also bought her hair. And shout outs to my sister for letting me use her phone as a camera because if you guys don't already know, I got my camera stolen. And if you haven't seen that video, please check out that video, so I can get me some minutes or whatever. So I do want to reference this by saying that I did purchase this with my own money. This is not sponsored. I wasn't sent this hair, unfortunately. I wish I did, but your girl don't got that many views. However, I am happy with the purchase and I'll just show you guys what I got. So when I made my purchase, like I said, it was on Black Friday and it took 22 days to come to me. And I'm gonna be real with you guys, 22 days to get hair, like that is probably the only bad thing about my purchase. However, the quality of the hair makes up for that horrendous wait. So let's get into it. So when you get your hair, you're gonna get it in this bag, this white satin looking bag, and it says Baby Heir's collection. I got it in a natural wave. It is 20 inches. So guys, I got 20 inches. And this is her raw Southeast Asian hair. Oh my god, y'all. It feels really good. However, let me see if I get any shedding. Let me see. So it's still wrapped up and I haven't actually had it in my head. So I can't really say if it sheds or not. So I will be giving you guys an update on this hair. But so far it feels really good. And then this is the other bundle. This one seems more shiny to me. So guys, on her website, this hair is supposed to have less luster, and then she has the Brazilian hair, which has a little bit more luster. But I love it. I feel like it's still shiny. It does have like a texture-y feeling to it. Like it feels like it has some texture to it. Like the ends, I believe, are kind of dry though. But it definitely looks like she trimmed the ends to make like their ends are not thin, you know what I mean? And then guys, y'all, this closure was the highlight of my purchase. I purchased a 7x7 HD closure, y'all. I was not playing games. And y'all, this thing is huge. Look at this. Like, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Y'all see this? This thing is huge. This is like the biggest closure I've ever seen ever. It does look pretty great. But this is how it looks on my skin. It's not bad. It's not a bound lace or anything. But I don't know if it's necessarily HD. It is single knotted. She didn't bleach the knots. And it isn't pre-plucked. So I do have to go in and pre-pluck it. However, I will have to say this hair feels so soft. Like, the hair on the closure feels incredible, like 1000% incredible. And now I'm debating if I should have just purchased the Brazilian hair rather than the raw hair, because raw hair, it is more maintenance and you do got to take care of it like regular hair. But this Brazilian hair, y'all, this is not the raw hair. This is just their regular hair texture. This hair feels good. Like, y'all see that? Like, woo! Oh my god. What? So the only issue I'm having with this closure is that it has a hole in it, and I will show you guys that right now. Y'all see that? That hole? Like, other than that, this closure is perfect. I run my hands through it and whoo, no. Okay, I got one strand and I don't know if you guys can see that, but this, I'm super excited to put on my head. Like, I'm really excited. But I will be bleaching the knots, plucking the closure, and making a wig out of this, and I will show you guys the end results, because I don't think I can really do a video with me doing the wig, because I haven't done wigs in so long. I just don't know how to really construct this type of wig, and the way that I want to have it, I don't want to end up making a video that is like extremely difficult to edit. So I'm going to go ahead and put this hair in. I'm actually going to go ahead and wash this hair first, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the hair in. If you guys do want a link on where I purchased the hair, please check it out below. I did get this on sale, so the prices are not the same. As you guys can see, this hair is so gorgeous. This is all 3 bundles, and these are all 20 inches. Like, this is a nice amount of hair. And I like the fact that it came so nicely packaged, and the hair, it even smells, it doesn't smell like any type of chemical. It feels like she washed this hair and she used a really good shampoo and conditioner. Like, I really love this hair. This is a really good buy for me. And I don't know if you guys have seen my last video on the AliExpress hair that I purchased. If you haven't seen that video, please check out that video above. I hated that hair. I really hated that hair. The hair was trash. It was so-called raw, but it wasn't. I will be giving you guys a in-depth review on this hair, because I don't want to tell you guys to purchase a hair and after a week it's like pretty bad. So I will let you guys know how I feel about this hair, but so far this is a good purchase. How I feel the closure looks, how the hair on the closure feels, the actual hair, the bundles are incredible. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell so you can get those notifications on my next video, and leave a comment below so we can interact with one another. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.